Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Here we are going to see how to install dual horns with relay. I will specifically show it for my Gixxer SF, but the technique applies to any bike. Before we start, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. So the motive behind this mod was to test how much of an improvement in loudness can be made by using the cheapest, or say one of the cheapest horns available in the market. Now you can use any pair of horns for the same. Definitely costly horns would be better sounding, but as I said earlier, I was interested to find out what this combination has to offer. I used Hella Mark 11 horns here and I paired it with my stock one. They sound almost similar and loudness is also at par, so these two can be a pair. Optionally, you can use two of these Hella horns at the same time as well. It all depends on your preference. So let's start the installation first. Okay, let me explain the diagram once again that I have drawn here. First, connect the 2 points of the horns with each other and then join it with negative terminal of the battery or ground, which is indicated with black ink in this diagram. Next, connect the other 2 points of the horns and join it with terminal number 87 in relay, indicated with red ink in the diagram. Then connect the stock horn wires to the terminal 86 and 85 indicated with green ink in this diagram. However, they are interchangeable anyway. Lastly, connect terminal number 30 with positive point of the battery with wire, which is shown in red ink in this diagram.